This video provides a tour of the Symphony Math dashboard. Your dashboard shows data for students in your classes. If your dashboard is empty, you probably need to set up your class. See our video on creating and editing classes for more details. For this video, we'll look at the teacher dashboard, which summarizes information for a particular class. The top graphs show the key metrics for success in Symphony Math: use and progress. The blue gauge on the left side shows the number of students in your class that have used the program for at least 45 minutes this week. The green gauge tracks the number of students that are currently working on or above grade level in the Symphony Math curriculum. This chart shows use in progress throughout the time period selected. You can roll over each bar or green dot to get more information about that week of use. Below the graphs, you will see several data views, each of which contains different information about your students. The Use and Progress data view provides summary statistics on usage and progress towards grade level work. You can press any of the labels in the chart to sort the list of students by that category. The Standards data view shows the status of each student in relation to the Common Core standards covered in the Symphony Math curriculum. If your school has the independent assessment available, you can see your class results in the Assessment data view. This data view also changes the graphs at the top of the screen to show the distribution of your students in the different categories of risk. You can also view each student's score and percentile rank. Percentiles are based on the student's grade and the time of year, and are measured from 0 to 100. A percentile of 37 means that a student scored as good or better than 37% of typical students in their grade at that time of year. The Help data view is essential to the success of your implementation. No program is going to magically improve math ability on its own. At some point, most students will struggle with certain concepts. This is where you can help. When students begin to struggle, your Help data view will display information that helps you intervene. Press any icon to view working versions of challenging tasks. Press this link to access custom guided practice worksheets that can be printed and used with students in small groups or one-on-one interventions. Guided practice worksheets are available for every skill in Symphony Math and can be the answer to the question, how do I help my struggling student? The Awards data view displays the latest awards earned by students and also keeps track of each goal sheet available in Symphony Math. A goal sheet represents all of the stages that make up a grade level of work in the program. Awards and goal sheets can be printed at any time. Want more details into a student's work on Symphony Math? Press their name to access their student dashboard. You'll gain access to personalized data views for that student. The Daily Use data view shows a record of every session of use, including live previews available for every task completed. You are the key to success in your math classroom. With Symphony Math and the Symphony Math dashboard, you can help your students master the big ideas in mathematics.